So this dish is done.
Oh yeah.
Cooking channel.
Alright, let's cook, Mouse.
Savory.
Alright.
Tasty.
How about the chicken feet? Good night.
Anytime.
Bye. Hello. Early. Always enjoy life to the fullest.
You enjoy my cooking channel.
Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Panlasa ni Tisoy. So I'm making sautéed pechay or bok choy, ginisa. So I harvested this bok choy or pechay at urban farmers here at Bonifacio Global City here in Taguig, Philippines. I have about ½ inch of ginger sliced that way and some garlic sliced. I think I have 5 cloves of garlic there, a whole onion. We have, of course, oil or avocado oil in this case. We have patis, oyster sauce, ground pepper, and of course for protein, we have tokwa or tofu. Anyways, let's do this, guys. On a heated pot, first thing we're gonna do is fry our tofu. So just enough oil to fry your tofu. You can also use an air fryer if you're more comfortable with that, or whatever you prefer. I prefer frying because I don't have an air fryer. Not at this location. So just make sure that your oil is hot enough. I split the tofu into 2, guys. So this is cut in half. Oops. Sorry about that.
I won't take for granted the gifts in my hands, through highs and lows. I'll always stand. Even in darkness, there's light I see. Hoping His promise surrounding me. So I'll sing out loud, let my heart rejoice. Lifting my hands, lifting my voice. Even in darkness, there's light I see.
And chop it up in cubes. Alright, so I took out some of the oil, just a little bit. Now we're gonna start cooking the dish. So we first saute your ginger. I always start with my ginger. Other people like to start with their garlic or onion first. And it's just my preference. And then I put my ginger on the side. Next I do my saute my onion.
So I'll sing out loud, let my heart rejoice. Lifting my hands, lifting my.
Lastly, I put my garlic.
I see. Hoping His promise surrounding me.
Now you mix all of them together. So now you add your bok choy. Some people like to slice their bok choy. I prefer it this way.
Let's cook. Eat.
I'm gonna cover it a little bit.
We want to stay strong by living long.
Now we're gonna add some oyster sauce. It's about a tablespoon of oyster sauce.
To survive.
then we're gonna add some patis. Some people like to put shoyu or soy sauce. That's fine too. I prefer patis on this one here. Just a little bit. I put probably half a teaspoon. And then we'll add some water. Just that much.
Let's cook, eat and live healthy.
So we're gonna add some black ground pepper. Just a little bit. Depending on your taste. Some people like more because they want it spicy. So I'm gonna add a little bit more water, maybe a spoonful. There you go. So we have a little bit of sauce. So the final step would be the tofu. Alright guys? And you want to mix that in so the flavor goes in the tofu, because tofu is a very there's no flavor. So if you mix it up with your vegetable, the flavor should go in. It's like a sponge. It will just suck up the flavor. That's pretty much it, guys. So this dish is done. Alright, so we're gonna try this, guys. Try this out, guys. You can see, don't mind the view. That's my view right now. I'm gonna try the tofu tokwa. Very tasty. The bok choy. Very good. Very beautiful. The view. Alright. So that's it. That's how you make sautéed bok choy or pechay. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay, Philippines. Thank you.